showy.
Camp chairs are important. They're probably one of the most important pieces of gear that we carry, because, you know, we always talk about how, you know, we don't live in a van. The van gets us places. We always live outside, and it's like at home you have your comfy chair, your recliner, your couch. That's what this is.
Yeah.
So I mean, there's a lot of little, you know, lightweight backpacking camp chairs that are great, but for us, doing this full time for years, the chair should be something you really...
Chair's important.
It's really important, and people sit differently. I typically like to sit up. She likes to... She's a lounger.
I'm a lounger, sloucher. Yeah, this is comfy for me right now.
Yeah, and we've gone through a lot of different chairs, have experimented. This is probably your third chair?
Third or fourth, probably.
This is a Walmart $20-25 chair.
Yeah.
It's like...
It's lasted a couple years, I think, This is my second one, identical to this. Like, this is I've gotten this multiple times. They do wear out. The sun damages them, the UV. But, you know, $25 a go.
It's not bad. I'm not comfortable in it at all.
No, he hates this chair.
No. Before this chair, this style, if you follow us, go back years, there was a chair you had with a big red thing.
It was like a flying saucer.
Yeah, it looked like it was a big lounging, and her and Pistol would...
That thing was amazing. It was like a giant papasan chair, essentially.
And the last time I saw that, we were camped at Glacier National Park in Montana.
Yeah.
And I was going to, before the going to the Sun Highway was opened up to cars, you sat at the base in your chair, and I rode my bike up to the summit and back.
And somehow we loaded up and drove off with my chair on the side of the road.
I hope someone's really enjoying that chair still. It was a nice chair. It was bulky though.
It was huge. Took up so much space. So the balance is finding the right combination of comfort and size.
Yeah. Now for me, some friends of ours turned us on to the Pico chair, and people love them and people hate them. I really like it. I'd recommend it. It's a very sturdy chair, but for me, I'll just go ahead and it's got a place for beverages. For me, the way we built this van was kind of designed around certain spaces.
Moose it in there.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, that's tiny, really.
That's what I like about this. What I don't like is that you have to be very careful with it. Like, you notice I wasn't super careful. But I wouldn't want to take this on the beach and get sand where these slide into here. And you have to be careful because this is my second one. The first one was uneven ground. Did something, sat somehow wrong.
There's some weak points inside.
Yeah,
so.
it's not the most durable chair.
And it is $100.
It's an expensive chair.
So.
I wouldn't buy it again. Some friends of ours, Dutch RV, Martin and Ellie, they had bad luck with this same chair, and they found one on Amazon called the iClimb, just the letter I, climb. Same concept, folds up similarly, but it's all a really durable looking metal.
And it has a flip out table.
And it's got a flip out table with a beverage holder on it.
Yeah.
And Martin loves it.
Yeah.
It looks much more durable than this one. We'll put a link in the video description for in case you want
to check it out.
If we hadn't found the chair we're going to show you next, I would probably, if we don't like that one, that's probably what I'm going to go to.
Yeah.
The iClimb. So anyway.
Today we want to show you our new chairs, our chairs that are actually going to replace these two chairs in the van and take up
a tenth.
Yeah. Of the combined space. Yeah. Very small, but seem very durable. And when we were in Key Largo, our neighbors camped next to us. They had these chairs. They showed them to us, and we thought, let's give them a shot because I think they might work. They're going to be great for the beach. Throw in your bag, take them on the bike.
They loved them, and they had them for a while.
Yeah.
I had seen them pop up. You've probably seen them pop up on your Facebook ads or Instagram ads. They're about $100 each.
Yeah.
So I was really hesitant, but for us, it's like we said, it's our only real chair to sit and relax in. It's our recliner. So.
Yeah, we did get them on Amazon, and at the time we ordered them, there was a coupon you could click when you went to buy them, and it brought it down, I think, to $80 or $85. So why don't we get them out? They're in our garage, and let's show them.
So this is it. This is the Cliq.
Cliq,
Cliq
Cliq.
Yeah, they'll definitely leave the link in the description. Also on our website, we'll have a link to this too. If you've been to like an REI store, you've seen all the like camping backpacking ones that they fold up small like this, and you take them apart and they've got little legs, and it takes. I've sat in every REI chair.
I fell over in a few too.
You fell over in REI, I remember that.
I did, over backwards.
I like those chairs, but they're not very stable. The ones I've had are not super stable, and they're comfortable enough for short periods.
Yeah.
But for full time, I don't want to have to put together my chair all the time. So this basically locks like that.
That's it. That's all there is to it.
And that's it. But can you imagine how much easier it'll be when we want to go down to the beach instead of like trying to carry this and fishing gear to the beach? So this one I'm fairly comfortable sitting up in.
Yeah.
The height is good for me. I can carve in it.
It's made out of a really durable
But
parachute material.
You can relax in it.
Yeah.
So
That's what I'll be doing. It has 2 pockets on each side. Like
it
a little
does.
stretchy
It
pocket.
does not have a beverage holder, so
Well, you could hold it there.
I just have to hold it here.
Yeah. So that is a drawback, but it's so versatile because, you know, previously we'd be hauling this to the beach, slinging it over your back and taking it down.
But it looks pretty durable.
Yeah.
And then taken apart is the same thing. Push the button.
That's it. Now they aren't as light as, say, a backpacking chair. They're kind of somewhere in between. I'm not sure how much they weigh, but
It's definitely lighter than what we have.
yeah, no, they're gonna be great to just throw in a bag and
Yeah, they're not as light as like those compact REI type backpacking camping chairs, but it's kind of a cross between the two.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, I'm comfortable enough in this that to have something that we can sit in at camp, we can carry to the beach, that sort of thing. I think it's going to be worth it. We'll keep you updated as we go on.
Yeah, we'll see how they wear, but so far I think they're gonna be good. And I have had pistol in my lap in this, so
That was a test. We've had these for about a week. We still haven't decided what to do with these yet.
yeah, we're gonna. I actually might put this by the garbage can. Maybe someone can use it, but it's pretty much seen its last days. It's falling apart. It's rusted.
Someone's gonna go right through that thing.
They might. They might. What do you think? I think we should light a fire. Oh, you know what? When we went to the farmer's market here, we ran into a Polish booth, and the guy had sauerkraut. He also had liverwurst, but
All imported stuff from Poland.
yes.
And the guy is from Poland. He's very thick accent, hard to understand.
Yeah.
But they had raw sauerkraut, which
Fermented sauerkraut.
I love that.
So good.
Yeah.
We already had some kielbasa like sausages, so we didn't get any sausage there. But I think we're gonna roast the sausage over the fire tonight and make sausage,
Hot dogs,
but with kraut.
kraut dogs.
Kraut dogs. Ooh, that gets my salivary glands going.
Well, that's it for the chairs.
Yeah. I think
Is that
so.
all we've cut it all? Any questions? Comment below if you have questions, whatever. Or you know what I'd like? If you found chairs that you like and why, let us know in the comments.
That's what I love. This is all just like one big community, and no matter what we've done, somebody has figured out a better way or a better...
It's caterpillar hatching season here, and I keep getting caterpillars climbing on me.
Yeah,
it's creeping me out.
They're everywhere. Actually, there's one climbing up the tripod right now.
What the heck?
All right, let's get this bar going.
Okay.
Here's the sauerkraut. Raw sauerkraut with carrot. But I also, we got these at the market.
Jeez, these packed tight.
Candied jalapenos. These are delicious. They're like bread and butter pickles, but jalapenos. So, I don't even like bread and butter pickles, but these jalapenos are good on everything. Okay, I gotta try the sauerkraut. You can't just try it.
It's really good. It's very mild.
It's very mild. The carrot gives it a little bit. I taste the carrot actually.
And not having any vinegar in it, it's not that.
And there's not a lot of liquid. I almost prefer my sauerkraut a little more juicy.
Yeah, it's dry. Huh. All right, let me try this.
It's good though. Okay, can we talk about what's up ahead? We're checking the weather, checking the fishing report. We will, I think, be headed to Cedar Key area. So stay tuned for that. And then beyond that, very exciting. Very, very exciting news.
Crazy.
I can't even give you a teaser because it's just so fun.
Something completely different.
Yeah.
Big change.
Not a change, just like an addition.
It's a change for a while.
No, don't say addition. People will think we're pregnant. You can't say an addition.
Definitely not that.
Let's just say some new gear is joining us for a new adventure. I'm gonna leave it at that. So, Cedar Key first. I think we'll do some kayak fishing. Now we usually stay at a campground over there that does not take reservations. It's like drive-in only, walk-ins only, I guess I call it. So we'll see if we can get a spot, but we'll meet you over there if we do. Carry on.
Carry on.